How do people take decisions about their problems? How they settle their disputes? And what is the role of leaders in settling the problems? In this lesson, we learn how decisions are taken in a society which belongs to the same community, the community decision making in a tribe. Tribes, societies where all the people are equal. The societies who live in forest areas are called tribes. In Telangana, we can find such type of tribes like Chenchus, Kondareddis, Gonds, Koyas, and Savaras. The tribes have different ways of life, languages, cultures, customs, etc. Even though they have these differences, they share some common features. They are: first one, generally, the tribal people feel themselves as the descendants of a common ancestor. So they treat other people in the tribe as their relatives. The natural resources like land, forests, water, etc. are the common resources of entire tribe and not of any individual, family or person. So they can share and use them as the common resource. They use them as per the rules framed by them. There is no division of rich and poor in the tribal community. All the persons, they have the share in common resource, and the land may be divided among the families according to the sizes of families. And after some years, this land may be redivided. In some cases, we can observe all the land is tilled together and they share the produce equally, and no one is the owner of that land. The total tribe is considered as the owner of that land. Generally, all the family members do the all kinds of works like cultivation, gathering food, grazing animals, making clothes and baskets, tools, etc. All the family members, even children, share the family work, and generally the men have the great role in decision making than the women, and they give lot of importance to the festivals and rituals to please the tribal gods and ancestors, and they have the beliefs and customs, songs, dances, and arts and crafts. These tribes may settle in various villages or habitations, and we can see the Gonds, a tribe living in Adilabad district, and how they are handling their problems and how they settle the disputes among their members. So we got the information from the Heimendorf's book on the Gonds of Adilabad. A famous scholar, Heimendorf, studied the tribes of Telangana. He came to Telangana in the 1940s and studied the Chenchus, the Kondareddis, and the Gonds, and he wrote a book about them. He also studied several other tribes of India, Gond Panch and Patla. Panch, it is a council formed by the adult male householders. Patla is a village headman. He is the chairman of Panch or council of that village. Generally, this Panch represents the Gond society as a whole. Panch meet whenever necessary. All adult men are allowed to discuss in the council, but the women are not allowed, but they can freely put their case before it. And there are some important functions of the punch here. They are fixing the dates for major festivals and framing the rules for the marriages and the divorces. And they settle the disputes. They can impose fines, and sometimes they force some persons to leave the village as a punishment. And when a dispute arose, people from many villages, a joint panchayat will be held. Village headman, he is also called as Patla. This post is hereditary. Generally, he is from the family of a person who led the formation of the village in the beginning, and he is answerable to the punch. He is an effective leader. Generally, he tries to maintain the unity of the villagers and negotiates with the outsiders and government officials. He has to feed the guests in the village. In return, all the people from the village are worked in his fields for one day. With the help of that, he get more income to incur the expenses for the guests of that village. Whenever a headman works against the wishes of the people, he may be removed and replaced with another person. And Heimondorf also pointed out that this system was gradually changing in the 1940s and 50s as the many other communities like Marathas and Telugus and modern people settled in that villages. Due to the Panchayati Raj elections, the Sarpanches were elected directly, and people started going to the police or courts to settle their disputes. Thus, the headman lost his position in the society.